How to get Hulu on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1, verify TV compatibility. Ensure your Samsung Smart TV is from 2016 or later, as these models support the Hulu app. Step number 2, connect to the internet. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to settings, network status. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect. Step number 3, access the Smart Hub. Press the home button again to open the Smart Hub. Step number 4, search for the Hulu app. Navigate to apps and select the search icon. Type Hulu using the on-screen keyboard and press enter. Step number 5, install the Hulu app. Select the Hulu app from the search results. Click install and wait for the download to complete. Step number 6, launch the Hulu app. Once installed, open the Hulu app from the apps section. Step number 7, log in to your Hulu account. Enter your Hulu username and password. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step number 8, start streaming. Browse through Hulu's content library and select the show or movie you wish to watch.